This was a 30cc quad I got for the kids. It was an absolute piece of crap, so I ripped out the motor. I'm converting it to electric with a 500 watt brush kit. So far I've mounted this thumb throttle. I used zip ties to mount the speed controller up the front, and I've used a box for the battery, and we just need to put a plate on for the motor. Got some scrap metal here. I'm just going to weld it on and then drill some holes and mount it. Sweet, seems to go all right. I did notice a bit of a sketchy point down here though. Looks like his pants might get caught in the drive gear, so I was looking around the garage for something to put over it, and I thought this paint can lid was pretty good, but it's pretty weak plastic, so just use it as a mold to make a carbon fibre one. All done. You notice a bit ugly around here. I cut the gas tank out and cut the top of the fairing out and then epoxied it on, and it was my first go at fiberglassing over top. So I can fit the battery in there because it comes right up, and then the charging port up the top. So let's put it on charge and go see if he wants to take it out for a test drive. Yeah.
Come on, we're going home.
Push it right down.
Boost. Oh, he's pretty fast. That's it. Nice and slow. I'll help you. Oh well. Keep running till we get to it, okay? Right up to you. We go all the way out to Esther.